When you get to the corners, don't turn right, go to your left.
There. Very nice.
About turn to your right. About turn to your left. No. Oh, okay. 360 to your left.
Hello?
360 to your right. Raise them up. Raise them up if they're following. If your dogs are following without a tug, I should hear good. Call to front. Back up 3 to 5 steps here. Show me a left finish. Good. Forward. Halt and sit. Stand your dog. Walk around if you can. Good, Lana. And forward. Call to front. Okay, right finish, everybody. Put the leash in your right hand, drop your right foot back, and sit. Hello, sweetie. And forward.